shaky footage, lack of smooth transitions. If you are struggling with all these troubles, then don't you worry guys. You can start with hassle-free video conversion AI tool, PictoryAI. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about what is PictoryAI and how you can make killing out of it. You can also check out the application from the links down below in the description. So guys, essentially this AI video creator will be able to convert your text. It can be your script or an article or a content for your website, and then find suitable elements, templates that will be related to the content you want to create a video for. Moving further, we will be reviewing all the editing options within Pictory to help you build a quality video using this tool. So let's get started. Now, this is the dashboard of the PictoryAI tool. You can log in or sign up with your Google account, and once you have signed in, you will be redirected to the Pictory dashboard, and this is what it looks like. Here you get to create a video using 4 modes. We will check them out one by one. First in the chain we have script to video, which is recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching, and for step-by-step guides. Next in the chain we have is the article to video option. This is for blogs, press release, or any HTML article. Next we have edit video using text. This mode helps you add subtitles for your videos, can cut unwanted portions for the video. This option also creates video highlights and add logos, intro and outro. Last in the chain we have visuals to video, which is recommended for creating short videos using your existing images and video clips. Let's get started with the first mode and import our script. Click on proceed to enter in the workspace. Now I will be pasting the copied content which is about top 10 AI tools. Okay, so this is the script I have added. All the changes in the workspace will get auto saved. You can edit your script over here, add space in between so this content more visible and less bursty. You can also change the font size and type for the video, then click on proceed, and then you can add different templates of your choice. Now here I will be searching the keyword AI tool. As you can see, I got some relevant matches for my content. I will select this template and then proceed further. Now I'll click on the preview, and here's the generated video. Now you get different tools to edit your video. Once you are done with the alterations, you can download it. Now moving forward to get next options, we get article to video mode. So guys, this could be an amazing feature for creators to create a detailed video of the article. You just need to enter the URL of the article you want a video to be created for, and then you are good to go. So as you can see, the video is generated and it is divided into scenes. You can change the template of any desired scene and add styles by balancing the text color or background color. Then you can save the design and you can apply it to any scene. PictoryAI provides you with premium quality of templates and graphics. Here you get the option for adding scenes to the video. You can add static images or videos for the script. Let's add video to our script. Also, you can import few more templates and backgrounds as desired. Now you get the entire article converted to the video and you can download it from here. You get the option for branding for your video. A lot of videos have intro, scenes and outros. Turning on the toggle for enabling intro scene, you can add the logo for your video and add the text for the intro. You can design your own logo and can import from desktop or other files. Now here you can see the options for defining your logo position, its opacity and the size. You can change the background music as well for your video, and you can add voiceovers by exporting the media. In the top right, you can adjust the volume of the background music and the voiceover you want to add. You can see that the top panel, voiceovers, where we can change the voice for the voiceovers. You get 2 voices for male and a female, and a board list of different voices. Let's try this feature before moving further. You can select the mood for the music using the drop menu and click apply. Scroll all over and choose the song which fits perfectly for the content. Now moving ahead for the next option, that is edit videos using text. So PictoryAI gives you another admirable feature. You can edit your videos using text. For that, you need to add the link of the video, or if you have a video created in your system, you can load that here. Now, as this process takes time, you need to hold on. Now so you can specify the number of speakers in the imported video. You can see the video seeks get started and the script of the video is transcribed on the left. Now, if you want to change the script, proceed with the alterations, and then you can preview the video and save it. You also get the option to change the aspect ratio of the video, whether it want it in portrait or landscape view. PictoryAI gives you all of it. You can also remove filler words and any silences and toggle it on and off. Once you are done with the customization of the video, you can go and download it. Everything from the very beginning that we went through, you can apply changes if you want. Once you are happy with that, with the results, you can save it for future use. Last on the chain we have is the visual to video. Simply you just drag and drop the image or video clips to make a short video. Wrapping up this video, this is it. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video and learned something from this tutorial, hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Again, if you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. But that's it from my side. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Yeah, like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye.